Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Got Oil Supplies coming to you live on Facebook today because it is November 1st. Can you believe it? I cannot. But November's here. We have brand new subscription boxes. Plus, November Madness is starting today. So we're going to have a ton of Black Friday specials coming your way starting today. And so let's start with our November subscription boxes because this month is super special. We love to do holiday themed subscription boxes, but a lot of people wish that their holiday themed subscription boxes would arrive early. So they had time to get the supplies and have their classes and gifts ready for the holiday. And so that is exactly what we did this year. And so this month in November, we are releasing our brand new 12 Days of Christmas collection. And so this way you guys get it before Christmas so you can make these amazing recipes, which we're going to get into, and make your gifts. Share your essential oils. This is going to be a great gift for friends, family, neighbors. They're going to love these recipes. And so let's get into it. So if you're not familiar with our subscription service, what we love to do is come up with brand new collections each and every month and then automatically send them to you. And so all of our subscription boxes for the month of November are going to get our 12 Days of Christmas collection. And so it doesn't matter if you're growing an essential business or not. If you use essential oils, you'll want to subscribe to our oiler box. Our oiler box is perfect for making these collections for yourself. And so in our oiler box this month, you're going to get just one of our recipe sheets for our 12 Days of collection, or 12 Days of Christmas collection. And it's two-sided, jam-packed full of information, and you're not going to want to miss this because you can kind of see the collection behind me. It is amazing. And you also get our label sheet. And so, you're like, okay, Ryan, well, what is this for? And so what we did this month is we came up with kind of a hybrid. We developed diffuser bombs and room sprays that you are not going to want to miss. So I'm going to pull some of these down right here. And so what is awesome about making diffuser bombs is you can put all of your essential oils right here in these bottles that we send you. This month you're going to get 6 of our clear 2-ounce bottles with our white spray caps for the room sprays. And you're going to get 6 of our 15 ml clear bottles with the droppers for your diffuser bombs. This way you don't have to have tons of bottles laying around next to your diffuser. What you're going to do is you're going to get all your essential oils out. You're going to follow these amazing recipes we have right here. And you're going to put your essential oils right in here. And that way when you're ready to run your diffuser, you don't need to try to find all your essential oils. You'll just grab your diffuser bomb, put the drops in your diffuser, and away you go. And so we're going to give you all these supplies to make these diffuser bombs and room sprays, which you are not going to want to miss. We have some amazing recipes, and they're super fun. We named them, Cozy by the Fire, Christmas Spirit, Cinnamon Drops, Gingerbread Cookies. Tons of awesome recipes you are not going to want to miss. Plus, there's a list of essential oils that inspire the holiday spirit. So even if you don't follow these recipes to the letter, we give you tons of suggestions on essential oils you can use, directions on how to make them. Plus, on this recipe sheet, there's even this little bonus recipe for a passive diffuser Christmas ornament, which is really cool. If you follow these directions, you're going to love it. It's a really awesome gift. And so in the oiler box, we give you one label sheet, one recipe sheet, plus all the supplies you are going to need to make this collection. But that is not all, because diffusing essential oils and room sprays all year long is awesome. So we're going to include a few more things in this month's oiler box. The first thing we're going to include is our Diffusing Essential Oils resource card. So this is a resource card chock full of information about diffusing your essential oils, and you can use this information while you're using your diffuser bombs for the 12 Days of Christmas collection. So this is included in the Oiler box. And we're also going to include our room and linen sprays booklet. This booklet has tons of recipes, for sleep, wellness, mood, concentration, fall, spring, winter, tons and tons of room spray blends that you can use all year long, because room sprays and diffuser blends is the theme of our 12 Days of Christmas collection. So these are also included in the Oiler box. And plus we give you the tools you need. Little pipettes and funnels are always included, plus an amazing surprise. And you might say, Ryan, this has a ton of stuff in it. How much is it? And the great news is that our Oiler boxes are only $19.95 a month. First month always ships free, and then shipping is only $5.95 after that. It's amazing, and you can cancel at any time. You can skip boxes, update your address, update your payment information. It is super easy to use our subscription service. And so, but if you are building your essential oil business, we do have our builder boxes, which are only $39.95 a month. We give you at least $60 worth of essential oil supplies. That way you can do your DIY classes, your make and takes, tons of gifts, sign up incentives, gifts for your downline. We give you a ton of extra supplies. And so if you are a builder, this is what you're going to get in our builder box for this month. Of course, we're going to throw in the diffusing resource card in the booklet, because these are must-haves. But we are going to give you 12 recipe sheets, 12 label sheets, which also include the lid stickers. But we also give you the tools. I got to reach them over here. There they are. We also give you additional tools that you need to share your essential oils. And so while you will get the 6 2-ounce spray bottles, we are also going to give you a dozen of these little mini spray bottles. That way you can take these recipes, this recipe, divide it into these, and share these with your friends, families, and neighbors, and show them how awesome essential oils are. And so we'll give you this for you, but then we'll give you all these mini sprayers that you can share with others. And in addition to these, in the builder box, we're also going to include these super cute 2 ml dropper bottles. Can you guys see how little teeny these are? That way you guys can make up your diffuser bombs, throw them in here, and share these with people you meet. Be like, hey, do you want to share the Christmas spirit? Smell how awesome these essential oils are. And you know how I kind of mentioned before how there's lid stickers on every single label sheet? Just take one of those lid stickers right there, and you can put it right here on these little sample bottles. And you might be like, okay, Ryan, I want to share my diffuser bombs with people, but they might not have essential oil diffusers. This is a great way to teach people about how to passively diffuse their essential oils. For example, they could put a drop of the diffuser bomb on like a roll of toilet paper, drop it on their carpet, put a drop on their pillow. They could even put a drop in the palm of their hands and diffuse it that way. And there are there's a lot of good information on this diffusing resource card that'll help you share different ways to diffuse essential oils with others, which is amazing. And then you get all this, which is valued at over $60 for only $39.95 in the builder box. It is awesome. It's a beautiful collection. It is super fun. The holidays is one of my favorite times to diffuse essential oils, and the room sprays are amazing. And so if you're not one of our amazing subscribers, head over to godoilsupplies.com right now. Subscribe now so you can pick up our 12 Days of Christmas collection and make these amazing diffuser bombs and room sprays and share them this holiday season, again, with your friends, family, and neighbors. And so that is our subscription boxes for the month of November. If you have any questions or comments, comment on this video, send us a message on Facebook or Messenger. You can text us, email us. We are here to help you guys succeed, and that is what we want you guys to do. And so I did mention earlier that we are starting our November Madness sales. And so every 2 days for the month of November, we're going to have a brand new sale. And so starting today and tomorrow, all of our binders, we have 5 different binders. All of our binders are 50% off. So they're normally $9.95. You can do the math. So they're going to be less than a couple pennies less than $5 each for these binders. And you might be like, Ryan, why do I want a binder from Got Oil Supplies? And I'll tell you why. Because all of our content, including our booklets, our label sheets, our resource cards, and even our recipe sheets, including lid stickers and everything else that we make, everything is designed to fit inside of these content management system binders. And so it's a super easy way to keep your essential oil supplies organized. And these binders today and tomorrow only are 50% off with promo code BINDER. And so we have a Black Friday event on our Facebook page if you want to join, so you don't miss out on any of our November Madness deals. And you can also just remember to check our page, because we're going to be posting these specials every other day for the entire month. And you're not going to want to miss any of them, because you can get these amazing binders 50% off today and tomorrow only with promo code BINDER. And I'm going to do something special for anyone new signing up for our subscription boxes. If you are a new subscriber today or tomorrow, we will include a random binder in your order absolutely for free. Kind of just a little gift for signing up for any of our subscription boxes. We're going to throw in a free binder today and tomorrow only. And so it's amazing. I love it. We got a ton of good stuff. So don't forget to check our Facebook page each and every day and join our event, because we have lots of good stuff all month long. And so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope everyone has a happy November. Hope everyone enjoys the holidays. Stay safe, stay happy, and use those essential oils. Until next time, everyone, bye-bye.